Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed viewers, I welcome you to an enlightening review presented by myself, John Waite. Join me on an intriguing exploration of the world of internet marketing. Your presence here today is highly valued, and I am honored to have you with me. Are you ready to catapult your income to extraordinary heights, reaching an impressive $10,000 per month? I urge you to click on the first link in the description and gain access to the transformative 100K Alliance, a community that thrives on excellence. Now, let us delve into this compelling review, where I present not just one or two, but an impressive array of 4 exceptional bonuses that will undoubtedly captivate your attention. Our first bonus provides a gateway to a vast network of 250,000 engaged email subscribers, replenishing your list each and every Friday. I offer precise guidance and reveal valuable strategies to effectively tap into this valuable resource. Additionally, I present a self-hosted autoresponder solution, allowing you to optimize your email marketing capabilities without incurring exorbitant expenses. Witness the power of these invaluable tools as you propel your email marketing endeavors to unprecedented levels of success. However, the excitement does not end there. Prepare to be enthralled by our second bonus, a remarkable traffic method that resonates within the marketing landscape, even in the ever-evolving year of 2023. Experience an influx of targeted traffic flooding your offers, blogs, and websites, igniting exponential growth and amplifying your online presence. Embrace this transformative opportunity and become a driving force in your industry. But that is not all. Our third bonus unlocks the potential within the realm of YouTube. I am delighted to share strategies that will position your videos at the pinnacle of search results, enabling you to garner substantial views, engagement, and a loyal subscriber base. Embrace this chance to solidify your presence on one of the most influential platforms, propelling your brand to unprecedented levels of recognition and success. Last but certainly not least, our fourth bonus offers an exclusive chance to promote Empire, a premium product crafted by my esteemed mentor. By aligning yourself with this flagship offering, you'll seize the opportunity to earn a compelling 100% commission throughout the entire sales funnel. Embrace the prestige and financial rewards that accompany the promotion of this exceptional product. Now, esteemed guests, the time has come to embrace the limitless possibilities that await, but allow me to offer a gentle reminder. The path to success begins with a single click. Follow the first link in the description to join the ranks of the 100K Alliance, a reputable haven for aspiring achievers. And if you are eager to obtain the product under scrutiny, do not hesitate. Click on the second link to embark on an unparalleled journey of growth and enlightenment. Secure your seatbelts, dear viewers, as we engage in a thrilling expedition toward prosperity and fulfillment. Thank you for your presence, and I eagerly anticipate our shared pursuit of excellence.
Hey everyone! Today we're going to be talking about a problem that business owners and marketers would relate to. And that's generating online leads and converting them to sales. Did you know that about 63% of marketers find it tough to generate leads online, whereas 79% of generated leads never convert to sales due to wrong product pitching? You may have been creating free content, lead magnets, and running webinars to build your list and make money online, but still struggling to get results. What if there was a simple solution to all these challenges? The solution, which is affordable, easy to use, and efficient. The solution, which will not only increase your leads, but also boost conversions and sales. Well, there is a solution, which is helping big brands like Amazon, Entrepreneur, Ben Angel, Neil Patel, and others to generate thousands of leads daily. The solution, which undoubtedly increases leads and boosts conversions by up to 78%. But before getting into all the juicy details, we would like to ask you a question. How do you generate leads online? Through social media marketing? Using freebies as lead magnets? Paid advertising? Or through SEO? Whoa, wait. Do you know what just happened? As soon as we ask this question to you, your brain goes to look for an answer almost instantly. Do you know why? Because this is a fundamental trait in human nature, and quizzes tap into it. People become curious about what could be the correct answer. This is the power of quizzes on human minds. In fact, according to recent marketing research, quizzes are the most engaging content type than videos, images, and blog posts. The average quiz gets shared nearly 2,000 times. And in fact, quizzes are proven to boost opt-in rate up to 78%. No wonder the top brands and marketers are using quizzes to generate hot leads today. And if you're not using quizzes, then you are getting left behind. It's a massive loss of viral traffic, leads, and sales for you and your business. That's why we've decided to build the most advanced interactive quiz builder app and make it available for anyone who is looking to generate leads online. Our brand new lead generation app will help you grow your business online using the power of quizzes. Introducing QuizTarget. QuizTarget is a revolutionary SaaS app that solves the biggest challenge every marketer in business generating fresh new leads and converting them into sales. With QuizTarget in action, you will get tons of hot leads and sales like never before. How? By creating money-making quizzes in seconds that will instantly boost opt-in rates by up to 78%. It will ultimately help you grow your list faster and make sales every single day. QuizTarget is loaded with incredible features like drag-and-drop quiz builder technology, multiple quiz formats, quiz funnel and mind map designer, more than 25 autoresponder integrations, dynamic quizzes with logic branching, done-for-you quiz campaigns in local niches, and many more powerful features. Plus, QuizTarget will help you create any type of quiz in just a few clicks. You can instantly create funnel quizzes, sales quizzes, lead generation quizzes, feedback quizzes, pre-launch quizzes, and a wide variety of quizzes. That's why it makes QuizTarget a perfect tool for affiliate marketers, video marketers, make money online niche, e-commerce marketers, local business owners, and many more. And now, you can get your hands on this amazing gamified lead generation technology without paying a single dime. To celebrate our launch, we are giving away 10 free copies of QuizTarget. Plus, we are also giving away special early bird discount coupons. All you have to do is sign up below to Early Bird Pass. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now and get a chance to win a free copy of QuizTarget and generate hot leads every single day.